So it is important what you all are wanting to be with the platform that University of Kalyani is providing you, the platform which Career Hub is providing you, is being a change maker. So there is the need. Keep your eyes and ears open. See what is happening around you. Understand the problems. Initiate it. Just don't think. There are some people you will see, they are only brainstorming all the while. We should do this. We can do this. We will do this. That does not help. Take actions. Be someone who is a performer. Create solutions. And these solutions need not also always be new. If you want to build a new solution, do it. Or else improvise on what exists. Understand the problems of an existing solution and try to improvise and make it better. Even that is entrepreneurship. And then lastly, if you see the target audience, so in the 3 initiatives I showed, each is a different kind of audience. And because of that, when you have to target the audience, it's digital marketing all the while. So when it was for the cycles, I targeted Instagram because that is where I found the target audience was. When it came to career journeys, I knew it is the professional network which is on LinkedIn. So that is where I did the marketing. When it was for the the art part, then there is more of offline things. You have to do exhibitions. You will have to do, of course, you are on Facebook, but that is enough. Facebook, Instagram would do. So you can see that how it has varied in each of them because of the kind of approach which has taken. So please do not always try to follow what your competitor is doing or another person has done in another industry. Try to understand it from what your solution is all about. Try to think with an open mind and then give solutions. So in this process, there will be a lot of questions to ask yourself. Like, just don't jump into it because your time is valuable and the money is valuable. Each investor's money is valuable. Their time is valuable. Your timeline is also of importance. So think before you leap. What is your why? Are you passionate? That's very important. Being passionate. Is this the best time for you to start? Like I explained you, this is a very good time to start an entrepreneurship journey. What if you fail? Have plan B, plan C. What if your fallback plans also fail? Which means, do you have enough number of options for a fallback? Are you ready to be in the race with others? But here I would like to say one thing. Don't be frightened by your competitor going faster. Like, you could be 2 people and don't feel that, oh, he is going so fast. Oh, he has already got a 1 million funding. What will I do? I think my idea is all wrong. It is not so. Have conviction in yourself. Be convinced that you know what you are into, and keep yourself aloof from them, but at the same time benchmark with them when needed. And lastly, if you are financially ready. And because of that, I will come into a few things for that. So basically, if you see, for being a change maker, if I have to summarize it, see the patterns around in the COVID times, identify problems, figure out ways to solve the problem, organize fluid teams, and lead the collective action. This is very important because you alone cannot do this. This is my strong belief. In the initial parts, when you are pitching, etc., maybe, but you still need a collective action to be really successful. Leadership skills, very important. You have to take accountability for whatever is happening. That is something which will build the trust in you. Have passion. Be a risk taker. Extreme hard work needed. Let me tell you, you will see a lot of such articles, people who are working 24/7 to make their ideas bloom. Be organized. Integrity is very important. Your honesty in what you are doing will help you to build your trust. Be adaptable, very important. Today there is the COVID, tomorrow you do not know what other crisis will come. So be adaptable and be a constant learner. Again, another thing I always say as part of your career journeys, never stop learning, never. That is very important because you will have to know where the industry is headed. Is my idea convincing? For that, please reevaluate what is your vision. Do you believe yourself in your idea? If you believe in your idea, everyone else will at least listen to you. Then there will be, of course, the brainstormings, like I said. Lastly, see if it connects. Does it connect with another human? So that is the heart to heart connection. Is it something you are doing with where the nature connects or God connects? Because there will be various initiatives. The human nature and God, all of them play a very important role. So your